returned.
See they end.
No, get on the vehicle, guys. Get on the vehicle, yeah, guys. Get on the vehicle. I'll be up here, guys. Stay on the vehicle, guys. Stay on the vehicle. I have a plan. I have a plan.
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, break, guys.
Oh.
Guys. I got y'all. I got y'all. Keep going on the vehicle. You're good. You're good. Chilling, guys. You're chilling. You're chilling, guys.
3 people behind the shield. 3 people behind the shield.
Oh shoot! I got shot. Guys, the vehicle is unarmed. We're gonna under attack.
I know y'all.
Guys, we're not making out alive, guys.
7,
Bro,
Push it, push it, push it, push it.
5, 4,
Watch out, watch out.
3, 2, 1.
We have overtime, we have overtime.
game over, guys.
No,
Overtime. I said
overtime.
Come on,
what's up?
that's checkpoint, that's checkpoint, that's checkpoint. We got no time.
Checkpoint.
Let's go.
Oh, we got
Too
5 more
easy.
minutes, guys. 5 more minutes. We got this. We got this, guys.
6 more minutes.
Oh,
We got
here,
6 more
over here.
minutes.
Badger's now over here, going up.
Guys, are you still on the car? Are you
Guys,
still on the
they're
car?
coming.
2 people by rocket. Somebody get on.
Oh, no.
Don't
somebody
get
on.
shot, guys. I got some good guns.
Somebody get on. I'm disrupting him.
Wait, give me a guys. Bruno!
Oh,
Ow.
there's that. There's the other guy.
You
in
know
the
what to
field.
do.
I'm forward. Push on the cart. I'm forward.
Alright, sorry.
I'm stopping them.
Oh, I'm getting on the cart. Hey, look what I got. Let's go. We're totally gonna win this with these. Hey,
I got it.
Dang it.
You want me to get on the car?
look what I got. We're gonna be killing bad guys.
I'll be on the car with y'all, okay?
Alright, guys, look what I got.
Okay, wait, guys, chill. Don't waste your guys' ammo. It's like,
We have
pop out of
infinite
nowhere.
ammo. We have infinite ammo.
Okay.
It's
I
okay.
know, but like,
This though.
it's gonna reload.
Okay, I was disrupting him. I was disrupting him. Watch out, they're gonna be coming through.
This
I
is
died.
faster reload. We're all gonna killed, guys. We got this.
Guys,
Alright,
no, someone get on this. Someone get on this. Someone get on this. I'm gonna go fight, okay?
alright, I'm gonna go fight too.
No, don't let me on the car.
He
Alright,
killed
watch out,
him.
they're using rockets and SMGs.
Wait, guys,
Someone on
give me a
cart.
minute. I'm
Somebody get on
be-
cart. Because we have 4 minutes.
No one's on cart. No one's on cart, but now I am at. We need someone on the
Okay.
cart too.
2 people.
It's only me.
We have 3 minutes.
I got this, guys. I'm gonna be on the cart.
Alright, thanks.
We need checkpoint. We need checkpoint, guys. We need checkpoint. Hey, dude. High
We
five.
already got.
What up, bro? We're totally gonna
What's
win
up?
this.
I'm
bro.
Aaron.
We need to get to the end.
Right?
No, don't be.
We got
Oh,
this,
I'm gonna look
Ashton.
up.
We're at 340 and we have to go.
I'm gonna look up here.
We
I'll
have
be
to
right
go.
down there. Wait, hang on.
We have to go 44% in 3 minutes and.
Oh, clear.
They got a rocket. They got a rocketeer.
Oh, guys, I need help. Yeah, what
I
the
got your back.
frick? You guys are powerful.
Don't kill them.
I'm
They
low
already
health,
gone.
guys. I'm low health. Guys. I'm gonna go get health, okay, guys?
Go get health. I got this.
Where's health?
Oh my gosh, you
where's
scared me.
health?
I don't see health.
Oh, it's over
this
here,
way
guys.
back
I
over
found
there.
it. Y'all chilling. Guys, let's go. I got y'all. I'm back in the game.
Oh, I got killed. I got killed. I got destroyed by. Shoot. What up, bro?
Guys, let me come back. I'm on the ship.
Oh, yeah.
I need help, guys. I need help.
I'm coming. Just hang on. I have 2 guns. Good.
Bro,
Alright, guys.
How do you
There's
stand
no
up?
one with me. There's no
I'm
one
coming.
with me, guys.
Somebody get on the cart. We
I'm
have 2
coming.
minutes.
Guys, I died because it's
On cart.
You're on cart? Oh, go. I'm about to be there, okay? Should I go with the shield or no shield?
Whatever you can do best.
I'm gonna pump then. Cause I'm
I'm pushing cart really, like, a lot. One of them's low, one of them's low. I died.
I got. We did it.
We have 130 left.
I'm on super low health. I need help.
Go
Guys,
get your
I almost
health.
pushed the cart. I know, guys, no. The cart is almost done. So many guys. I literally did it for y'all. It's only like 1 second in, my guys. It's all
We
y'all.
have a
It's all
minute
y'all.
left.
It's all y'all. I'm
Guys,
behind,
get
guys.
good
I'm
guns.
behind. I'm behind. It's all y'all.
That's it.
It's all y'all. You did
Wait,
it?
it's almost done. It's almost done,
Yeah.
guys.
Oh, I'm there. I'm there. I'm
Three,
there. I'm
Push
here.
it, push it, push it.
Come on.
Let's go.
I helped this kid. I helped this kid. Dude, I killed most of them. Let's go, bro. Teamwork. Teamwork. It's 1-1,
I
right?
got my revenge.
The match is a tie. I suggest a rematch.
I killed a
Rematch,
bunch of your
guys?
men.
Should we
Hell
play
no.
team
Let's
deathmatch?
go. I got a trophy.
Still
I
one.
wait,
Just
wait.
get up here.
Who got the trophy? Whoever got the trophy, come here.
Me.
Yo, I told you stuff. We still won.
He got the trophy.
No, everybody
No, we
won.
won now.
Everybody
So
won.
we
Willie.
so
Willie
no,
won.
you're a loser.
Thank you, guys.
Whoa.
Thank you. I love
Why
this,
are we
guys.
good?
You're live on YouTube.
Thank you
Like
for
said,
like my
it's a drop.
education and everything, guys. Thank you.
Ashton, live on
I was
YouTube.
I was behind this dude.
What up, bro?
I got more. I got,
Alright, guys.
I got
No,
Capture the
Bruno.
flag. What's your
Team deathmatch. Team
death
deathmatch.
match.
team deathmatch? Deathmatch.
No,
Team
that one
deathmatch.
sucks.
Just normal deathmatch.
No, that one
Metropolis
sucks. It
deathmatch.
gives us like the worst guns ever.
Metropolis
Team
deathmatch.
They have the
no.
best guns ever.
Fuck. Team death.
Alright,
Let's go.
guys, we got
Hey,
this.
look.
Let's pretend this.
First elimination.
I'm down.
Already?
Made him protect it.
Blue has taken the lead.
I'm sweating hot. Blue, what's up?
What are we playing? What are we playing, guys?
Team deathmatch, boy.
What the? Oh, we're playing one shot. Alright, guys, this is one shot. Hey, I got y'all. Who's in blue?
Me.
I'm in blue. Oh, come on.
Oh my
Headset low.
gosh.
Frig. Guys, I'm gonna leave in a little, guys. My headset's low.
Mine's
Alright,
not.
guys.
I just bye. We have fun.
I'm not leaving now. It's like when it dies. So if I die, if the headset dies, then my bad.
At least we had fun. Good job
Right.
for getting that crown. Good job for getting that crown,
Right.
though.
Thanks.
Oh
me.
my gosh, you scared me. Someone just scared me to death. Oh my god.
It's me.
You
Watch
actually
this. Watch
scared me.
this.
That's exactly what I have to do. So guys, one
Oh,
shot
that
up
was
there.
weird.
Oh, I just got hit.
Who's winning?
Oh,
We're winning, guys.
that was perfect. Oh, I better not fall off the map.
I got one.
Where are these guys at?
Where is he? I legit just double shot someone. I legit hit them in the head double times. I'm scared, guys. I need backup.
What the? Alright, guys, I'm gonna leave. Bye, guys. You had
Bye,
fun.
we had fun.
Bye.
GG's, guys. GG's.
Good game. Bye. Alright, boys. Guys, it's all up to us. Whatever. Shoot me one more time.
Easy claps.
Yeah, someone's down there.
I sniped him.
Behind you!
They're out in the field area.
Let's go get them, boys.
Remember, if you have your armor, you're still dead. You're gonna die instantly.
Yeah, my armor is like a bit out. But yeah, so. Why do we have armor then, though?
What the?
Alright.
The new kids can't think we don't die from armor.
What the heck are these guys? Oh my gosh, I just got sniped. Guys, I know where one of them.
Got him.
Guys, I know where's one of them. They're sniping. And they're a good sniper.
I killed him. I
Go-
killed the sniper.
Go to O2. Oh,
I killed
good,
the sniper.
good,
Oh,
good.
two. Is this Among Us or is it Hyper Dash?
I do not know what. There they are, boys. It's two against 3. Nice. Oh, nice shot. I got him.
That was me. What do you mean? Stop taking credit.
There's a guy over there.
Oh, I got shot.
Oh man.
I got him all.
Stop spawn.
Dang it.
Hurry.
No, I wasn't trying to spawn kill. I was trying to kill that dude. He's AFK.
But they're helping him.
Quit.
Oh!
Big.
That was nasty.
Attack.
Got him in a headshot, baby. Hey, that was a nice shot, man. Oh, I got shot in the head. Let's teach them how to play, boys. Got him. Oh my gosh, someone legit just saved my life. Did you save my life? Those are guys right at O2.
You're sitting among us.
Oh god. But legit, they have numbers O2.
You mean 02?
O2, yeah, that's. I say that. I don't say 02. I say O2. Oh my gosh, I just got destroyed. Who's by a train? Oh my gosh, someone just destroyed that guy. This kid is legit a god.
I also got one.
I think so. No.
Okay, I got mine.
Got him.
Ah! I got sniped!
Oh my gosh, you're a god.
Stop camping. Stop camping. Stop camping. Stop. Stop.
Oh Oh my gosh, you're a god, my guy. Oh my gosh, I'm getting shot so much. Oh, headshot, baby. Oh my gosh. I legit just headshot someone as soon as I was moving. Headshot, baby. Got him. That took like forever to try and get this kid. I got your back. Headshot him. He's dead. Oh my gosh, kill him! No, we're losing!
You got the wood.
Oh my gosh, where are you?
10 kills remaining.
I'm laughing.
Triple kill. Oh yeah.
Got him.
For 2 kills, 1 kill
Oh my gosh, that guy just
remaining.
fell off the map.
Final
Blue
kill.
team wins.
Let's go!
Let's
Easy
go,
clap.
boys! Let's go! Let's go! High
That was
five.
easy, bro.
Take that, you red.
Let's go.
Easy clap.
That was
Play again.
people
Play it
ahead.
again.
60 out of the 100 right here. 60 kills.
Oh,
in
guys,
I want
look.
to shake your hand.
I'm
I want to shake
this
someone's
one,
hand.
and I was so
60
close
kills
to
out of
being with
100.
him.
Hey,
I got
Hey,
60 of the 100
trophy!
kills we got. Look at that. Look at that.
whoever got the trophy.
Wait,
half.
huh?
Fist bump. Fist bump.
I got 60 of the 100 kills needed.
hey, fist bump.
I want to fist bump you.
Woo! I died a bunch of times.
Let's go.
You can shake someone's hand. And
All right, guys, let's go. Let's
you
get in the
can't do
game.
it
What should we
anymore. You
play?
can only do it after the match.
Stupid
Team
payload.
Let's
deathmatch
play
again.
ball.
Wait, I don't want to do team deathmatch. I'm doing
Payload.
Wait, no, actually, elimination.
Payload. 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 No. Why again?
Ready? Hey, guys, come on, show them.
First elimination.
Who died already?
Red has taken
Me?
the lead.
No, wait, I didn't die.
What are you doing?
Blue has taken the lead.
First red
Ah, I
and now
got
blue.
shot.
Got him. Oh, I died.
I just took out their whole team. Oh.
Come on,
Yeah,
everybody.
then I died.
Crack 90s. Let's go, boys.
Ah!
Oh my gosh, I just got a heart attack.
Double kill.
Oh my gosh, I keep hitting my arm on my wall. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that happens to me too.
I hate that, like. Oh! Oh, let's go, guys.
I got shot in midair.
Oh my gosh, red team. Whoever red team, like, geez, stop killing me.
I bet their mics are muted. I got shot.
That's probably because of the enemies that were legit bursting. Probably that.
Or I think they're just bots.
I just killed
actual
so
boss.
many people.
Ah!
Yo, watch out. They got people in. You have to control the dome.
We're all bots. We're all robots. Ah! God. Alright. Alright, he's mad. He's mad. He's so mad. Oh my gosh. I legit just scared.
Come on, come on. You have to keep them out of the dome. No, you don't. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this kid.
I am in their base, absolutely mauling them all.
What are you doing? Ow.
Someone else shot me. They missed though. It's so hard to shoot bad guys in this game.
They're not bad guys, they're just other people.
Why are you trying to kill?
No, they have the dome, they have the dome.
Got him.
Do you have the dome yet?
Yeah, they have the dome.
No, we got the dome.
Oh my gosh, I legit just got no scope right behind me. I legit just got
Well, there isn't a
destroyed
scope on
behind
this
me.
thing.
Actually, there is in the game. This game, it has actually a gun that has it, but since we're playing team deathmatch, it won't
Yeah,
work.
but we don't have
Because
that.
it
No, on the little sniper pistol things at the end
Yeah,
of
but we're not using those.
elimination.
We're using the insta-gifts. These don't have...
oh my god. The insta-give? Oh my gosh, if you get one shot of these, that's insane.
It's so weird. I can't even get a single shot.
What the?
I keep getting kills all.
Teleport didn't work. We're winning.
Oh my
We have
gosh,
to
this
get-
kid legit just... Someone's AFK.
I got him.
Oh, back of my head. Shoot.
We have to take them down from that center area. It's much easier to get to the dome.
Oh my gosh, this kid keeps killing me. Hang on, my head. I'm back. Alright, sorry. Somehow, someone legit just meted me. Alright, guys. You know what to do. Teach them how to battle.
I think I might have taken them out from here.
It feels like that red team legit has scopes on their guns. They keep killing me over and over again.
Let's go. We got this area.
This kid. Alright, they stole the dome. The dome's under cover, so well on the fire on the dome. So guys, be careful about the dome. The dome.
Nope.
is
Take the
legit
dome back.
kill.
You take those back.
10 kills remaining.
Oh my gosh, legit! Someone legit. I feel like they're hacking. Like
What? Coming behind you. Behind you guys.
3 kills remaining.
Oh my gosh, I just got-
remaining.
On the hangar.
1 kill. Blue
Let's
team
go.
wins.
Victory.
Bro,
I
just
legit
joined
took
in,
out
bro.
the last kill.
I
I
got
legit
literally
took out
just
the
joined
last
in,
kill.
bro. You would've got
Hey.
smoked. You would've got
GG's.
smoked, bro. I would've smoked you, bro.
Yeah.
You would've got
Yeah.
smokington. You would've got smokington.
Who's talking?
Give me the confetti gun, bro. Look at me. Literally
Hey.
0 deaths. Get off of me. 0 deaths, bro.
You're
0
live on
deaths,
YouTube.
bro.
What would you like to say?
What's good,
Someone got
gang?
zero. Someone got
Yeah.
0 death for some.
Let's go.
Someone got 0 death for 0 kills. Let's go,
Because he
bruh.
just joined.
That was me, bro, because I joined in at literally the last kill.
Bro, you have 58 kills. You're a god,
I'm crap.
bro. Play with a
Good.
pro. Guys, let's play ball. Do
Rig,
ball.
Rig, please, bro. I just did ball, and these kids were trash. I was getting clipped.
Ball is literally corner.
Riggington.
Let's
Riggington.
go.
The rigor.
What we play?
Match
Alright,
starts
baby, got him.
in 3,
Let's get this,
Well,
buddy.
there's-
Let's get it.
1.
Guys, you know what to do. Destroy any bad guys you see. Who died already?
I don't know, man. You know.
Give me both of them.
Scores 0.
Let's go.
Give me both of them,
Ding,
bruh.
ding, ding. Let's go, boys!
Scores 0, 2.
Let's go.
No, I know.
Hey guys, have you ever do this? Wait, take out a bad guy and then you blow your gun?
Fuck, red team is dog shit, bro.
During the Super Bowl.
Ace, let's go.
go.
Ace. I'm
Look.
cracked.
Blue team scores
All 5 kills.
0, 3.
Hey, shotguns, boys!
Blue team
I am cracked.
scores
That kid just got smoked. I wasn't even paying
That was
attention. The kid
dope.
shot at me. I teleported the other way and just boom. Big booms on that guy.
Oh my gosh, I legit just got a heart
Big
attack,
booms on that
guys.
guy again.
There's a guy up here! Kill him, kill him! Yeah, let's go!
scores
5
Oh,
and
we're so
all.
good!
5.
We got shotguns, guys. Of course we're gonna win this.
Blue team
We keep winning!
0.
Trash.
Hey, good job, bro. Good job. What up, what up, what up?
Shucks.
Bro. Alright, come on.
Let's go, bro.
Scores
We literally
Let's
got
go!
Literally, bro, like literally we're going.
it. Literally, bro. Literally.
Blue team
We all got
scores
shocks. No way we're gonna lose this, guys. We got shotguns. We're totally gonna win this.
Aw, I killed myself.
I just killed
I killed
myself.
myself.
And then let's go. SMG.
Let's go.
9.
SMG.
Esma
time.
G's. Esma G's.
Hey!
Esma
So fast,
As
like,
the Gs.
how's the first?
G's. Esma G's.
We have so fast guns like girls. We're gonna keep killing everybody. Right, guys?
Hey, right here. In our spawner, top up top. Get him, he's one. Let's go, baby.
Let's go! Blue team! Blue team, we're winning!
No, it's totally the Aki way, literally.
Got him. Oh my
Oh,
gosh!
phone so
Let's go. No.
Blue team
Let's go!
scores
Blue team, we got 11 versus 0. We're totally gonna win this.
Y'all are dog water,
Wait
literally.
until we get to the snipers.
Oh my god, literally.
So they can.
I keep getting killed. I'm busy trying
There's
to
one
do
kid
something. and then-
AFK.
First time I
Spawn.
died.
There's 2 kids
one kid-
AFK.
Dragons get fucking.
No,
We lost
team
because of 2.
scores 1.
We lost because of 2 AFK kids. They legit suck.
Of course.
Let's go, guys!
Scores 1.
Let's go!
on
12.
the rockets.
Hey, we're on the
Well, let's
Rockets,
get on the
guys.
roster. We're on the roster, guys. We're literally on the
They
roster.
get SMG from
Oh
me
my
now.
god, we're literally on the
Yeah,
roster.
because we haven't.
Sorry, buddy.
I died again.
Sit down, little buddy.
Hey!
Sit down, little buddy.
1.
Hey!
I'd kill myself
Sit
'cause
down,
of you,
boy.
buddy.
Sit down, boy.
Oh my god, I was gonna boom my boom. Dude, this kid literally is trying to go
Sit
after
down,
me,
buddy.
bro, even though they're losing. Trash cans, literally dog water, literally trash. Literally
This
dog
game makes
water.
me want to kill
Literally.
myself.
Literally.
No.
Dog water. That's an A.
Red team
It means you got all the kills.
Scores. Finally.
I know what that
Finally
is.
they
I know what
score.
ace
It
is.
took like 50 years until they could finally score one. I know, guys. We're gonna destroy them. We have rockets.
No, we're not. They're gonna catch up till we have rockets.
Let's go.
Blue
Score.
team
We need to get one more.
I'm
Scores.
so
Let's go, boys. Hey, 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 hey.
Bruh.
Oh, you're like a blackguard.
I keep getting killed.
there's a
Legit,
guy
I'm
right
trying
there.
to shoot.
I saw smoking tins.
No.
Red
By the
team
Blickerton.
Scores.
No, they have.
Huh?
Guys, we're still
Red
gonna.
team.
Guys, it's 3 versus 4 team, bruh.
So
I-
it's kind of funny.
Something else. Then.
Someone legit got in my way and I legit died.
You know what I was doing last night? Nah. I was laughing. I was making it. I was funny laughing.
Red team scores.
Yeah. Yeah.
Red team sucks.
Yeah. Yeah.
I killed myself.
They get fucking one shots, bro.
Oh, this son of a...
Blue team scores.
Let's go. Yes, we got the nails.
15.
Let's go. We're goated.
Come on.
Alright.
What the heck? I'm legit trying to shoot someone and I cannot even get them.
Hey, there's one left. There's one down there. Literally down there, bro.
Guys, someone need to kill this kid.
No.
We
Red
lost
team
straight.
scores.
Yeah.
5.
Why are you laughing
15.
like that?
Bro, whoever laughs like that, bro. Stop. Chicken. Oh my gosh! I'm legit trying to kill bad guys.
You got the Addy? Mom, he's gonna pull up. You got the Addy?
Hey!
Scores.
Hey, we're goated.
He was like the...
Kid is legit happy!
Hey, they got shotguns,
Don't-
bro. Be careful.
Yeah, they have shotgun like he
the
didn't
only 2
shoot.
kills. How is that possible?
I legit
Bro, I
keep
got
getting
the
killed
only
over and
kills
over
this
again.
Scores. 6.
You guys didn't
Call of
shotgun
Duty
me.
Fortnite.
Oh, this sucks.
Oh, you're so lucky, Buckaroo.
Fuck. Oh, we have good people. We got me, G-Man, and the BK. No way, no way.
Oh, shit.
Blue team
I
see him, sorry.
scores.
Yes.
6. 17.
G-Man is OG, but I'm very fucking good. Oh! But G-Man, ain't no way.
Bro, what? Oh, shit.
Blue team
Sorry, guys.
scores.
Oh, this is the
No, we
sniper, so we're fine.
18. Blue wins in 3 points.
Hey, yo, where did I just get my buddy just went flying across the map? He's in
My
there.
buddy's glanced at the map.
Bro, what? I hit you twice with my shots. How are you not dead?
Oh, that was dead.
Blue wins in 3 points.
Oh, I shot
Bro,
you.
these guns are so
Bye-bye.
dog water poopy butthole.
3v3. 3v2.
Dude, there's no way these guys are too overpowered at them.
These guns are so creepy.
Tell me, man.
He's up top, right there.
Fucking trick.
Where is he?
Fuck. Fucking J-Man.
Oh,
Down low. Move. Yeah.
Time's up.
that team wins. I mean, blue team will
Blue
lead.
wins in 3
Yes, yes!
points.
Yes, 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 yes. about it. 3v1, 3v1, bro. 3v1, bro. 1v1, bro.
Let's
G-Man, the heck is good.
Okay, we gotta get him first.
19.
Wait, guess what? Man, is that incoming? Oh! Pew! Yeah, pew, pew, pew.
These are enemies.
Like, pew, pew, pew. Like, pew, pew, pew. Ah! Like,
Now
pew,
you're
pew, pew. Stop. It's not over.
Red
No, it's
team
not.
scores 8.
No.
19.
I like my
Blue
cat.
wins
I like
in
the cat. It's disgusting. He smells like pee.
Missed him. Damon's right there.
I lick my cat, guys.
Red team scores
Oh, good job,
9.
Chris.
Yeah.
SMG.
Blue wins in 2 points.
No way.
Yeah, Damon. There's 2 more people. 2 more people.
Dude,
Dude, shit.
Red team scores 10. 19. Blue wins in 2
You're back to clutch.
points.
This is a big problem. Big problem. Fuck!
Let's go.
Dude, what the fuck, bro? What the
Red
fuck,
team
bro?
scores
I didn't get a
11.
chance.
Okay,
I didn't get the chance.
is
Blue
when they get.
wins in 2 points.
Oh. Wait a minute. Oh, shit.
That's-
Somebody caught me. Somebody caught me. Somebody caught me. Somebody
Okay,
caught me.
guys. The only chance we're gonna win is when they get to
Kill him, bro.
Red
rockets.
team scores
Once they get to rockets, we have to go
12.
as hard as we can to beat
19.
them.
Blue wins in 2 points.
Oh no. Oh no. He got rockets. We can't do this, bro. Fuck, they're on rocket. Holy shit. Holy shit. Somebody calls. Somebody calls. Holy shit. Oh, kill him, blue team. Kill him, blue team. Blue team wins. Blue team wins. Blue team wins. Blue team wins. Blue team
Dude,
wins.
stop freaking running, man.
Blue
Yeah,
wins
I know,
in
bro.
2 points.
Hold on. Yo, go to the base, bro. Go to the That's the base. Oh, fuck! Oh, they're right there. Holy shit! Come here.
We lost this round.
Oh, we lost this round, bro. Blue team can't do it.
Red team scores 13.
Nigga, bro, I'm about to break my VR, bro.
Blue wins
This nigga, bro.
in 2 points.
Clutch is actually insane though.
How is this fucking rare, bro? Ooh.
Clutch is
Good
actually
shot him there. Ooh. Holy shit. BBB. Let's go. Let's go. We win.
13.
Sure.
20.
We need one more point, guys. We need one more. I'm gonna kill this motherfucker. No way. We're killing, bro.
4v1.
Papi. Hola. No tiene teta. Hola. Papi. Hola, niño.
Come on, Ant.
Papi, mo niño.
Yes, Ant.
1-8, bro. 1-8, bro. Please, 1-8.
No.
Red team scores
No. Why do you
Can't
have
let them get to
to
15.
win?
match point.
Yeah.
Blue.
Came down with this. What the fuck? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? My cat.
3v2. 3v2.
What the fuck,
2v2.
man? Fucking shit, man. Piece of fucking shit. Piece of fucking shit.
Where's Jamie?
Oh no. Oh no, cabrón. No, no, no. This shit came out. Kill him, bro. The game is glitching out.
Got him.
Red team scores 15.
No.
20.
Guys, this is about to be glue attack. This is about to be glue. Oh no. Huh?
I can't take one
Red
of those.
team
Guys,
scores
red team, let's be friends, okay?
20.
We're not gonna shoot you. Team winning. Be friends. Be friends. I'm down. Holy shit.
Oh, let me-
Holy shit. Holy shit. I didn't get a chance though.
Let's go! Let's go! Yes!
Let's go! Let's go! We win!
Let's go!
That was a great game.
Yeah,
GG's.
yeah.
We lost with the GG's, bro. That is insane.
I know, right?
GG's. That was
Let's
We
go!
lost?
Let's
yeah,
go!
I know, but still
Good job,
GG's, bro.
Yeah.
That was sick.
Good job, J man.
GG, bro.
J-Man, good job, bro.
GG, bro.
Oh, right now.
I'm
You're
a
live
GG.
on
Good job.
What would you
You're
like to
killing
say?
it, dude.
Am I live on YouTube? I win. I
Oh, no,
win.
good job, man.
Hey!
You're killing me out there.
I was
You're doing
supposed to be on
excellent. Good work, guys.
YouTube. Yeah.
fun.
We did good. Everybody did good. You did good mostly.
Thanks.
Yeah, good job.
This was great, bro.
Catch up,
Okay,
guys.
wait,
Catch up.
That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.